UPVC spares for repairs, and today we're talking about the replacement window handle to go onto an Everest old style window. This is the range of handles that are supplied normally to service the old style Everest casement type windows. They're available in left and right. Companies that supply this to the industry at the moment supply this on the basis that they're sending out a handle which is suitable for the Everest window. However, what you have got to do to this handle, which when you receive it, is to cut out and mill and file to enable you to achieve a finish like this. However, we have invested in tooling which allows us to send our handles away, have this section cut out of the handle, therefore giving you a perfect finished handle that will fit first time to your Everest windows.